Right, this is a verification round for this lovely refurbished Kirby G3 with a brand new brush roll in it that probably has just a couple hours of usage. So super fresh. On the right we have 10 grams of baking soda, and on the left, let's see what this mostly empty bag weighs. All right, we are at 76 grams even. All right, it's going to bounce around. 76 grams even. Let me reset up and we'll do the test. Chunk there. And away it goes. Full cycles, then we weigh the bag. I can tell you one thing, these earlier G's are definitely quieter than, say, an Avalier or Centria 2. Grab the board of measurement. See what the bag weighs. I think I'll get you in just a little bit closer. That ought to do it, I hope. So we started out at 76.00. Oh, come on. There we go. This bag's a little bendy, so maybe I have to measure it twice. 84.4 something. Let me see what it does over here. Makes any difference. Make sure it's not touching anything. Oh, come on. I must be touching something. That's why the weight's going down. Yeah. The bag's so floppy on either end, sometimes it actually touches the board, and that affects the measurement, to be sure. Okay, now we're not touching. So I'll say 84.4 something. 84.4. All right, I'm going to pick something here. 84.4. Come on. 84.4. Oh, come on. My air conditioning's on, and there's small currents of air. All right, I'm going to say 84.46. There, we'll just do that, 84.46, and then we will subtract 76, and we have 8.46 out of 10. So I jumped ahead a little bit there. 84.6% or 85%. So that is, I think, really, really good fine dust pickup from a machine that's as old as this. But you got to remember, this still has, at least in my case when I measured it, over 120 CFM from the nozzle. It's got a brand new brush roll, of course, brand new belt, and it really still, after decades, does a great job with fine dust, which is what you would expect. So I'll put in the video some other comparisons like I've been doing recently, showing some other machines. But you know, as I get more and more measurements from a bag using this scale, you'll see a great picture emerge that basically, as far as picking up your baking soda, high CFM and reasonable agitation always ends up being a winner. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.